Welcome, this is Jackie and Charlie Forsyth from the Forsyth Band with Quick Flip Decor, and today we are going to do Duck Pond Decor. Yes, Duck Pond Decor, Charlie. And we go, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a... We do need a few items, not very many, because you want to give the atmosphere of a pond. And what we would like to base it on is this wonderful bulrush. Now we live close to a duck pond. They are growing right now and they're absolutely beautiful. So we will take the browns and the greens and make ourselves a little duck pond atmosphere. Now you're saying, I don't have a duck collection. And if you were friends with a good friend family of ours, Warner Burker, you would have up to 300 ducks in your duck collection. Now I was looking for my ducks and they're all hiding and apparently not all in a row, so I have to make some. We're going to start off with this picture. Now this picture is just black paint on a white canvas. You know, anybody can draw a duck. It doesn't have to be perfect or beautiful, it's your duck. By using white and black pastels, I just made a little duck picture. On the lines I didn't like, I went over with black and it just sort of blended in. We were looking for a duck pillow and didn't find one. Maybe you did find one. But if you don't have a duck pillow, just take a piece of fabric, light piece of fabric. You can make some brown paint with, I mixed mine with red and black because that's what I had. And just do a little outline of a duck. And so now you have your duck pillow. Now the throws are very important. You want 2 or 3 of them. You've got a brown throw, a dark green throw, and a lighter green throw. Get some little reedy things. Here's a little bulrush, and I have a few more reeds, which I'm going to bring over. Pick them up from a floral place, Michael's, there's the dollar store, whatever you have. Got a little brown ribbon, a couple of little leaves. Now it's nice to get a few little flowers. So here's the lilies, the orange lilies. They're really pretty with some greenery and these little buttons with something really different. I'm going to show you. It's a shadow box. This used to be a little collector's table. I broke off the legs accidentally, but I'm using it. It has a bit of a shadow box. And if you don't have this, what you could have is a tray with a little depth to it, and you're going to use the inside just to make a collection. You know what? It doesn't have to be anything amazing, just it has to be a few things of what you like. What you want to make is a conversation piece, or you know, when somebody's waiting for their drink or their appetizer while they're sitting down on your sofa, you've got something to look at and wonder about. I made a few floating ducks that look like this. It's just out of a bit of a stiff, shiny paper, and I stuck a little eye on there for my duck. And I made about 3 of them for my collector's table. It's going to be fun to change your atmosphere and make it into a lovely little duck pond. Now it's not going to be everybody else's duck pond, it's going to be your duck pond. I used a lot of what I already had. You know, some of the pillows look familiar, even some of the accessories, and I just added a little bit of depth, a little more color, made a fun display. We had a little flower in here. I just put a little live lily in there. It's a glass ball. People can change it around as they like. It's kind of fun. There's my duck pillow. And if you can see through the reeds, you'll see my duck hiding, the picture of my duck hiding right in through the reeds. And this is sort of what you want to get this atmosphere going of neutral and then browns and greens to mimic the bulrushes. you just have this nice little reedy, pond-like feel. This is how you get your Duck Pond Decor. This is Jackie and Charlie Forsyth from the Dave Forsyth Band with Quick Flip Decor, and have yourself a wonderful day.